Today we're going to be going for a walk. We're going to be testing out how quick it is to open the Stanley cook set and have a cuppa while you're outdoors. So that's what we're doing today. We're just going to have a walk with the dog and try the Stanley cook set, see how that is. So that's what we're doing. We're going to try the Stanley cook set, a cup of tea and a cup of coffee, so we can have a good run round. So we've got the Stanley cook set. I'm just going to set it up now for a cup of tea, coffee, Trangia, spoon, cook set. So it's now a bit windy today, but obviously no, can't do anything about that. Stop a bit of wind coming from it. Little Trangia going. It's a little bit windy, could do with like a bit of a windshield, which I have got one, but I've not brought it with me. As they say, enjoying his stick, relaxing. Are you relaxing, little lad? Eh? Are you relaxing? You enjoying it, yeah? So we've had our cup of coffee now, and it's all packed back away. A little case, little thing, yeah. There's not much to it, so you can have a quick, easy cup of tea, pick your rubbish up. You can have a quick, easy cup of tea while you're out and about. So now it's a matter of taking Ace back home now. So we're back on our travels, messed up, tidied up. So like I said, we've just had our quick cuppa with the Stanley cook set. It's ideal for just a walk. Gets you out a little bit longer, have a cup of tea. By the time you've drank your cup of tea or your coffee, it's cooled down and you can pack it away and it's done. Like I say, it's better if you can get it out the wind, stop it blowing, but it's just enough to make a cuppa. Come on, Ace. We're going to get going now and see you on the next one. Bye for now.